description page, claims page, drawings and documents. Okay, so on the initial stage you will be directed to this page, the bibliographic data. From here you can come to know the publication number, publication date, applicant's detail, its international application number, its filing date, inventors and applicants details, its abstract. All these bibliographic data are come over here. At the end of this page, this is the designated states. From here you can see that for this patent is filed in how many countries. Each two letter code is representing one country. Okay, so next, now after clicking on description and claims, if you will be directed to the page that will be comprising that will be in non-English language, then just click on machine translate function over here. So the non-English language will be translated into the English. So after reading that, you will come to know the technical details about this patent, right? Okay, and from machine translation, the English language which will come over here. After this is the patent application in the Chinese language. If after using the machine translate function, you will be directed to the page like this. So after moving your cursor on any field, the basic language detail will be seen like over here, and the English text will be over here. From here you can copy the text and use that to generate our PSAR activity. Now on this is the part, the documents part. If you will click on to the documents part, under this the published international application, under this part just select the PDF, click on the PDF. So all the e-versions document will be downloaded in the PDF format. Okay, so this is how we have seen the patents WIPO's website. And now we will move to the WIPO's patent document. So on the initial page, this is the international publication number, and this is the international publication date when the application was filed. International application number, its filing date, the applicant's details, inventor's details, the designated country's date. All these things are on the first page of the document. Okay, and at the last, this is the abstract of the patent. So after reading abstract, move on to the next parts. So here the method of manufacturing, like others, you will come to know the field of technology, its background details, its technical details, and its summary in the following pages. After you will come to know all these details after reading the full text of the patent document. So read the full documents, come to get the answer for your questions, and generate the patent search and analysis report for each studied document. Okay, so these are all the patent relevant document for each patents. And as at the last you will get the number of claims, how many claims are there into each patent. Just select the mention, in this case the number of claims is 10, so mention it as a 10. The following are the figures. Okay, so now now we have seen the Indian Patent Office, European Patent Office, and WIPO's Patent Office websites and its documents. It might be possible that you can also get the US patent document, because the US is filing around 4 to 5 lakhs patents each year. But the US patent website is not much that user friendly, so that we have not taken its screenshots from US patent website. But it might be possible that you will you will get any US patent document. So we have given the introductory session about US patent document. From here you will get the publication and publication number, publication date, title of invention, applicant and inventor's details, its abstract from its first page of US patent application. This is the patent document number, patent number. Patent number will be mentioned under this barcode number. Okay. For US patent, the drawings figures are immediately after the first page. So these are the drawings pages. Then subsequently you will be directed to the like this, the field of invention, discussion about the state of the art, the technical details, summary of the invention, and the rest things will be the brief description of the invention. Dear friends, it might be possible that after selecting, if you will select the text from this kind of documents, the 2 columns, then if you will directly select the text from this part and copy paste it over to our PSAR website portal, then your report will not be in a justified format. So in such cases I will suggest that copy the text from column parameters, copy the text and paste it to Word and make it a one paragraph justified format, and that paragraph should be pasted in our online portal to generate your PSAR to get the report in a justified format. Now this is the technical details, and at the last we will see the number of claims details, find out how many numbers are there and mention it over here at the last. So till now we have seen the Indian Patent Office website, its document, European Patent Office website, its document, WIPO's website, its document, and US document, from which part you will get answers for our each question to generate PSAR activity. Now I will introduce you with our online portal, how at what places you have to what are its phases, and at which place you have to fill those data. This is the link for our database. Just follow these links, log in using your team ID and enrollment number to this website. There, from the first page, from that link you will be directed to the home screen of our website, which will look like this. All the explanation which I have given you, all the relevant documents are already being uploaded on our home page website. So you can download all the text materials, study materials, guidelines and other supportive documents from here. Okay. After that, just log in to the website using your team ID and enrollment number and click on submit. So this will be the first page. From here you will get your name and enrollment number. At the first, when you will log in to the website for first time, you cannot see the studied patent list table. For the first time, just click on the add patent to add the details about your studied patent. When you will click on add patent button, you will be directed to the page like this. This is the page. From the first page you will this will represent the data you have already been uploaded on phase 1 and phase 2 of our online project tracking system. Just verify this data and click on the next button. So this is the different parts of or different phases of our online project tracking system. Okay, so the first part is about the patent search technique used. These are the questions. What are the questions and what should be answer, or what you should answer. All these details what I have already been already I have explained you in the first initial session. All these details are given under this part, message box. So if you will get any kind of confusion at any time, just refer these slides and go through the text content. You will have an idea what should be you answered, what should you have to answer. All these details in these fields I have added by studying the Tata's patent on speed controlling. Okay. So yeah, one more important thing, unless and until you fill all the relevant asterisk marked questions, you won't be directed to the next part of the PSAR. So before, if you want to move on the next part, it is necessary and compulsory that you have to answer all the questions on the page and then click on the submit button. Okay. So after filling all the data, click on submit. So the data will be saved and you will be directed into the next stage. And if you want to reset all the fields, click on the reset button, so it will be cleared. After clicking on submit, you will be directed on part 2, that is basic data of invention and its bibliographic data. Here you have to give details about category and field of invention. Invention is related to with which class of invention, title of invention, patent number, application number, date of filing, all these details, and the explanation for each question what you have to answer are given under this, are mentioned under this slide. The second part is the details about the inventor. So in case it might be possible that the group of people has invented the particular patent in a group manner, so individually give one person's detail, his name, his address, his city name and country name, then click on add. When you click on add, it will be shown under this tabular form. Then click on the details of other inventor. In the same manner, click on add, it will be shown over here. If you want to delete any entry, then you can directly cut it over from here. After you fill all the relevant data, click on submit to add the inventor applicant's details. It is in the same manner as the inventor detail. Who is the inventor, give its detail, address details, click on add. Okay, and add to the submit button. Now you will be moved toward the part 3 of a PSAR. So in this part you have to give details about limitation of prior art, specific problem solved and objectives details, brief about invention, key learning points, summary of the invention, number of claims, patent status, whether how much this patent is related with your project work and your innovative idea. Take this question, last question, as very seriously to answer this question. Just give your brief idea how you can improvise this particular patent. Okay friends, and after you fill all the details, click on submit. Then your patent will, your submitted data will be seen over here. The studied patent, it's a search string you use, title of the patent, its patent number, application number, and from this part update, view and download as PDF. If you want to update any information you have already filled, then just click on the update button and modify the details you want. Under view section you can view the details what you have already been updated, and if you will click on the generate PDF, all the data you have filled in each text box will be generated in the PDF format, report format will be generated. So after filling all the data for one patent and clicking on generate button, the search report like this will be generated. This is our university logo, the date on which you have submitted the report, your team ID and name details will be seen on the initial page. The part 1 details, what you have answered, the basic questions and what are your answers are seen in the tabular format or column format. You can see from over here the total number of questions are 27, but the data you just have to provide are just very small data. The keywords are very small. For each question, the number, you just date and the keywords and the numbers you have to provide. So the part 1 and part 2 are very small. Then the inventors details will inventors and applicants detail will be shown in the separate pages, and the full technical details what you have submitted will be shown over here. And the last and the most important, your suggestions to improvise these things are seen in a beautiful way at the end of the report, right? So it is GTU has made a circular that each student has to study at least 5 patents. If one student feels that, and if he feels that this is interesting to him, and if he wants to make report for more than 5 patents, he can also do that. And after studying 5 patents, after studying at least 5 patents, student have to make one common report in this format. The summary of relevant patent search, which patents they have studied, its information, the studied total studied patents are, how much its relevant, its relevance with your project area, and your ideas behind this you have to mention over here. And just mention the summary report of 2 to 3 pages after studying 5 patents. And this is the study materials about the important patent databases, and study materials are over here. Okay. And if you feel at any point of time, and if you have any feedbacks, suggestions or query, just shoot us a mail at the below mentioned mail IDs. Mail the Dr. Manish Ranch at manish.ranch@gtu.edu.in, or mail to me at the IPR_project officer@gtu.edu.in. Okay, thank you friends.